Hello, let me show you how you can change keyboard sound while typing on your S25. So first of all, you have to start by opening Galaxy Store, and I'm gonna show you how you can use Keys Cafe application. Click on search and you have to first of all get good luck. So input this phrase right here and you have to just download this application. When you do this, you will have to just open it and you have to go into Keys Cafe. Now, click on this switcher to style your own keyboard. Tap right here and you have to go into sound. And here you can find all of these sounds. There we go. And now we can just start using this. And of course, right here you can also customize your keyboard with a lot of different effects.